Mathcraft 1. Number sense. Numeration. Place values. Apple receipts. Imagine a receiving clerk, Tim. Tim works at a green grocery. Tim's job is to record receipts of produce. He records the number of apples received daily. Loose apples are placed in boxes. Boxes are placed in cartons. Loose apples. Here are 3 loose apples. Boxes of apples. Loose apples are placed in boxes. Each full box has 10 apples. Each carton holds 10 boxes of apples. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. A few observations. Apples are never packed on top of each other. Each box or carton is a single layer. Each box is a single row of 10 apples. Each carton holds 10 boxes of apples. Receipt 2. Tim records his second receipt for the day. Tim must count these loose apples to determine the number. Received from Brian Brown. Box 1. Tim counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He reaches the maximum that the loose column will hold. Tim creates a box of apples. 10. He notes this with a stroke on his records. Received from Brian Brown. Box 2. Tim continues to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He reaches the maximum that the loose column will hold. Tim creates a box of apples. 10. He notes this with a stroke on his records. Received from Brian Brown. Loose apples. Tim continues to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This time, Tim runs out of apples at 8 units. Tim places 8 next to the last stroke. Received from Brian Brown. Tim enters 8 under the loose column. Tim enters 2 under boxes. Is 2 greater than 8? By placing the digit 2 under boxes, Tim indicates a greater value for the digit 2. The value is based on the position of the entry. The 2 under boxes represents 20 apples. Total number. What is the total number of apples received by Tim? Tim received 2 times 10 and 8 apples. The 2 under boxes represents 20 apples. Tim indicates a value of 20 for the digit 2. 8 is joined to 20 to make 28. 28 is the total quantity of apples. To understand the number 28 takes 2 steps. Multiplication. 2 times 10 makes 20. Eight times 1 makes 8. Addition. 8 is joined to 20 to make 28. Total quantity. The value of a digit in a number depends on its position in the number. The value of each digit is added to give the total of the number. Quantitative values 20 and 8 make total quantitative value 28. Value of the number. The quantitative value of each digit is added. The result is the total quantitative value of the number. The digit 8 under loose means 8 apples. The digit 2 under boxes means 20 apples. Quantitative values 20 and 8 make total quantitative value 28. Very good.